You're not transforming, you're pretending to. You set goals and quit a week later. You tell people you're changing, but you're still the same person doing the same things, expecting different results. And here's the brutal truth. You can't transform while everyone's watching. You can't rebuild yourself in the same environment that broke you. You can't become someone new while being surrounded by people who need you to stay the same. Real transformation doesn't happen in public. It happens in silence, in isolation, away from the noise. The people who actually change, they disappear first. They go ghost. They rebuild themselves where no one can see. And when they come back, the world doesn't recognize them. So if you're done talking about change and ready to actually become someone different, here's how you disappear and transform yourself. Watch till the end, because the last step is what stops the old you from crawling back. First, vanish from social media, not forever, just long enough to stop performing. Delete the apps or log out and don't touch them for 90 days. Every post you make is you playing a character, the version of you that people expect. When you disappear from the feed, you stop living for validation. You start living for progress. Let them wonder where you went. You'll show them when you're done. Second, cut the dead weight. The friends who drain you, the people who remind you of every time you failed, the ones who say they support you but secretly need you to stay small so they don't feel bad about themselves. You don't need permission to distance yourself. You need protection. Surround yourself with silence or people who are building something. Everyone else is a distraction you can't afford. Third, work in the dark. Don't announce what you're doing. Don't post progress updates. Don't tell people your plans. Talking about your goals tricks your brain into thinking you already did the work. The dopamine hit from telling people feels like accomplishment, so you never actually accomplish anything. Stay silent, build quietly. Let your results announce themselves. Fourth, reprogram your day. Your current routine built your current life. If you want a different life, you need different habits. Wake up earlier, train harder, read more, work deeper. Your days need structure, not motivation, not inspiration. Structure. Lock in a morning routine, block out focus time, eliminate variables. When your day runs on a system, transformation becomes automatic. Fifth, guard what enters your mind. You are what you consume. If you're watching trash, listening to negativity, scrolling through mediocrity, that's what you'll become. Cut it all. Read books by people who've done what you're trying to do. Listen to podcasts that challenge you. Feed your mind like you're building a weapon. Because you are. Most people stay stuck because they never leave. They try to change in the same environment that created them. You can't transform and stay visible. Pick one. Disappear. Transform. Come back different. Comment, "I'm going ghost" if you're ready. Subscribe if you're done being the same person hoping for different results.